chicken lollipop, we need chicken wings. To make chicken lollipop, first we'll cut the chicken wings into a chicken lollipop shape. So friends, first we have to cut the wings from here and from here, this part. From these two parts you have to cut, and you have to throw the portion from here to here. This portion you have to throw, and with one chicken wings you can make two chicken lollipops. That is this part, this full part, and from here this full part. So friends, now we have two pieces. See friends, and now I'll show how to make this into chicken lollipop shape. So friends, first you have to take the side that have less flesh and keep it on your top side. And now you have to bring the flesh of that side to downside. You can use your knife. See friends. And you have to turn the chicken lollipop. See friends. So friends, see, it should look like this. See friends. So friends, there are two bones in this piece of chicken. One is here and the other is here. So we have to remove the small bone and then bring this side of the chicken this side. So friends, you can see this thin piece of bone. We have removed it, and now we have to bring this chicken this side. So with the help of a knife, I am pulling this chicken downwards like this. So friends, you can see that we made two chicken lollipops out of one chicken wing. You can also remove the skin if you want. So friends, now our chicken lollipops are ready. Now it is the time for marination. So friends, now we have to add 4 tablespoons maida in a bowl. Two tablespoons corn flour, 2 tablespoons red chili paste. You can also use red chili powder. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. 1 egg. 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder. 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. Half teaspoon coriander powder and half teaspoon soya sauce. 1/4 teaspoon red food color and salt as per your taste. And whisk together all the ingredients. Friends, the batter is very thick, so I am adding few drops of water. So friends, now our batter is ready. Add the chicken pieces in the batter and keep it in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. Mix to coat well and let it marinate covered in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. Now I'm going to mix it. So friends, we have to take oil in a wok and keep it on a medium flame, and after it is heated, we have to add all the chicken pieces. So friends, we have to add chicken pieces and fry it on a medium flame. So friends, we have to take it out on a high flame so that the excess oil drains off. So friends, our chicken lollipops are ready. Friends, we can serve it with ketchup or Szechuan sauce. It is usually served with Szechuan sauce. Our Szechuan sauce is ready. So friends, if you like our videos, like, share and subscribe to our channel, Smart Cooking with Azilfa and Ayaz. Thank you for watching. So friends, for the recipe of Szechuan sauce, see the card above. Thank you for watching.